Gestem is one of the largest SWE outreach events in the world. Today we have brought about 900 7th grade girls together to do a day of hands-on STEM workshops.
Gestem is an event for 7th grade girls where there's multiple workshops that are hosted by multiple industries across Colorado, where we host fun activities for girls to learn different skill sets and industry principles. What they're going to experience is kind of like you're on a college campus, right? You'll get to experience come into different workshops.
These workshops are actually being presented by 35 different companies from the Denver metro area.
So Terumo Blood and Cell Technologies room is called Spin to Win, where we teach the girls principles of centrifugation and how to design an experiment. They're mixing different density fluids into a test tube by creating a hypothesis to determine what is going to happen after you centrifuge it. So they write a hypothesis, put the different materials within the test tube, centrifuge it, and see which ones come on top and which ones come on bottom.
For our workshop today, we are having students come in and learn about the built environment. What does a landscape look like? What does it take to build a community? Trying to identify what are all the pieces that you see every day but don't realize that they're science and engineering related.
My workshop is the Brownie Factory here at Gestem, and what we learned today is lean manufacturing principles within a STEM industry.
We all have a little bit of a stereotypical view of what an engineer is or does, but today these girls are seeing women in different types of STEM careers and different types of STEM roles that could end up being a role model to them.
The attendees are getting a wide range of experiences, from working with civil systems like us or aerospace or every single type of different engineering that's out there. They're getting a little taste of it.
They will learn things at this event that they wouldn't have learned anywhere else. I would explain this event as a very high energy event full of excitement of future generation STEM leaders looking to educate themselves of what a career in that industry might look like.
We're typically looking at demographics where a parent taking them to a STEM outreach event on the weekend is out of reach, or an event for STEM that has a cost associated with it. Those are also out of reach for a lot of our girls. So we've put on a completely free event, absolutely no charge whatsoever to our students.
It's fantastic to have this opportunity for individuals that do not have this experience within school.
Our event, because it's completely free to all attendees, does require generous sponsorship from companies in our community. To put this event together, just to give you some perspective, costs about $80,000. We're looking at about $75 to $80 per participant.
We have been participating in Gestem since the beginning, at least 15 years.
I would say it's something that's so rewarding to give back to your community, get girls excited about science and engineering.
But what we're really hoping is they walk away with the knowledge about a career that they didn't know existed, that they might have some interest in, and some ideas on how they might get to that next step in their career.
I want them to say that they had fun, that Gestem and engineering is a fun thing. It's not a nerdy thing, it's something that you could actually have fun at.
I guarantee when these girls were told that they're going to a STEM event, they probably weren't pumped about it. But when you see them happy, engaged, laughing, giggling, building a tower as a team that they just met, it just gives you that feeling that you are actually showing them that there's a lot more to STEM than maybe what they thought coming into this event.